The Aeon range is built with comfort, mobility and mountain adventures in mind, and the Aeon Ultra is no different. It comes in two capacities, 20 and 28. We have the 28 here in front of us today, and it's perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight speed walking pack or long distance running pack. Because it's part of the Aeon family, the Aeon Ultra does borrow a few features from the other bags in that series. However, it does have some unique features as well. We're going to have a look at those first, and then we'll move on to some of the ones that cover the entire Aeon range after. So the first thing you're going to notice when you grab your Aeon Ultra is that it now has a Rolltop entrance. There you go. This is really cool. It's very similar to what you'd expect from a dry bag, and that's because the Aeon is made out of some really nice, durable, water-resistant materials, and it also has all the seams on the inside taped. So this bag has a really high water repellency rating, which is great. This Rolltop system means it's quick and easy to access, and it's also nice and easy to close, but it also creates like a nice watertight seal on the top there without the need for a AquaGuard zip. On both sides of the bag, you'll see two large stow pockets. These can be used for either walking poles when you're not using them, or water bottles. And this also offers a side stash option, which means you can access your water bottle on the go without having to take the rucksack off. It makes it a little bit less awkward to try and reach around and get. So it's just sat here, nice and easy for you to get to. On both sides of the bag, on the hip belt, we've got two nice sized snack pockets, or stash pockets. They're perfect for sort of any sort of snack you want easy access to on the move. And on the front of the pack here, we have one of their big stash pockets. This is a big elasticated stash pocket on the front here. It allows you to put any items you need quick access to just straight down the front there. They're nice and easy to get to. You don't have to undo your bag to get to them. Perfect for like a waterproof or something that you just need really quick, really easy access to. Moving around to the straps, we are met with two nice wide straps to spread the load. Because this has got running in mind, it's very similar to some of the running vests we've seen from Alpine recently and Rab. Because of the wide straps, it does allow for two nice big stash pockets there as well. Big enough because of they're elasticated for a phone, but also they have a hole in the top here for a water bottle, a soft water bottle here for if you're running and you want easy access to your water without having to put a water bladder inside the bag. What we're also seeing on the Aeon Ultra is the new chest strap system. It uses a dual chest strap system here. So you have two chest straps. That allows for easier breathing when you've got it done up nice and tight to keep the pack stable when you're doing lots of exercise. And these are separated entirely, so they move completely independently of each other, so you can space them out according to your own preference. We're also met with a new clasp system, and this is a hook system, so that just hooks in to the female section of the clip, which is really nice, really easy to do. Can undo it really nice and quickly, but it's also super secure, which is really nice to see. We also see here on the straps a nice easy pole storage system. This means that if you come up to an obstacle you need to hand, you can quickly store your poles away, and then once you're done, pop them back out without having to remove your pack or having to put them into an awkward position that will take extra time. Nice and easy, nice and quick, and a really nice feature to see on this pack. Moving around to the back of the bag, we're also met with the air contour system, which is a ventilation system for the back of the bag. What this does is help move air through the bag, keeping your back cool while also keeping the bag close to your back and also the weight. It makes it really comfortable, great mobility with this pack. Because it's not rigid, it does flex a little bit, which is really nice, so it bends with your body, which makes it even more comfortable. And that also progresses down onto the first part of the hip belt here as well. Looking at the top of the bag here, we have an external bladder port. So we've got H2O nozzle holder here, which is what we will wrap around our nozzle as we feed it down the strap. So it's nice and convenient to get to. So a little bit different to some other bags, as this will sit on the external side of the thing, and it is big enough to carry a 3-litre water bladder, which is really good. Plenty of water for a long day's hike or running. But you're also met with all your traditional strapping as well, so you can make sure you get a really good fit. You've got really nice wide hip belts here. Obviously that means that you've got a nice good sized pocket like we mentioned earlier, but it also adds to the comfort factor, and it will mean you can carry a decent amount of weight in this pack. We are also seeing Rab's new cord lock compression system, and what this means is if you don't fully fill the bag, you can press it down and make it a little bit smaller. That's all handled with this cord here on the side, and behind here, just tucked away, is a small button which obviously if you press it, releases the cord and allows you to put more into your pack. Or if you're looking to tighten it, you literally just pull this cord nice and tight, and that compresses the bag down. This cord runs all the way to the base of the bag and helps pull in all the weight towards your back, which is a really nice feature to see. Because they're using cord as well, it's a little bit less weight on the pack, and it's nice and simple to use, which is really nice. This button feature is really easy to get to, And if you've just had a lot of exercise, it's still nice and easy, and the dexterity in your fingers can still do that really easy, which is really nice to see. Another feature we're seeing on the new Aeon Ultra is the way in which you fit it to your back. So traditional rucksacks, when you're tightening these straps that go around your shoulders, you pull down on the cord. With these new Aeon packs, or the Aeon Ultra at least, you've got an upwards pull. So this goes into a V shape here at the base of the bag, which we'll show you a close-up in a minute. And what you do is you pull up on the bag instead. And what this does is it draws the weight into your bag and gives you a really nice secure fit. So there's not as much movement when you're running or moving at a fast pace. So that was a really quick look at the RAB Aeon Ultra. If you've got any questions, feel free to head over to our website or pop into store to see one in person. And like always, it'd be great if you could comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you next time.